student, today's topic is sign and symptoms. What is the sign and symptoms? These two words relate with the disease. Symptom, when the body gets diseased, it shows certain symptoms and sign of illness. These symptoms and sign help in identification and diagnosis of the disease. As you can see here, some person suffering from the either headache, cough, loose motions and other things. So student, symptom is felt by the affected person while sign can be detected by another person. As you can see here, a symptom is the subjective and a sign is an objective. Finally, you can say a symptom is a manifestation of disease apparent to the patient himself, while a sign is manifestation of disease that the physician perceives. Here, more understanding about the sign and symptoms. The key difference between sign and symptom is symptoms if the patient notice the rash, it is a symptom. If the doctor, nurses or anyone other than the patient notices the rash, it is a sign. If both the patient and doctor notice the rashes, it can be classed as both a sign and symptoms. Next, what are the causes of a disease? Causes of disease can be classified as immediate causes and contributory causes. First, about immediate causes. The factors which are directly responsible for a particular disease are called immediate causes. For example, pathogens such as virus, bacteria, fungi, etc. are responsible for the immediate causes. Next, contributory causes. Factors which provide favorable conditions which make pathogen invasion easy are called contributory causes. For example, poor nourishment, unhygienic environment, pollutants, genetic differences, poverty, lack of public cleanliness. These are some contributory causes for any type of disease. But it will now be obvious that all diseases will have immediate cause and contributory causes. You can also say most disease will have many causes rather than one single causes. When we talk about the infection or disease caused by some microorganism or pathogen, in this way disease further again classified in two basic causes, naming are infectious and non-infectious causes. In our next video based upon infectious and non-infectious causes and their agents. Thank you.